Good morning, YouTube family. We are here in New Jersey, and today is 19th of January. और यहाँ पे स्नो स्टॉर्म शुरू हो गया है और it's gonna be couple feet, like 2-3 feet तो रहेगी स्नो आज. ये सामने आपको न्यूयॉर्क एयरपोर्ट नज़र आ रहा है. यहाँ पे प्लेन्स जो हैं इनकी फ़्लाइटें भी बहुत सी कैंसिल हो गई हैं ड्यू टू द स्नो वेदर. और ये जस्ट स्टार्ट, ये 2 दिन पहले भी स्टॉर्म आया था और ये अभी अगेन वी गेट द स्नो. I'm at the work right now. You have to work even it's snow weather condition. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं देखा जाता. You have to be at work, लेकिन you have to be take care for your precautions while you're driving. बाकी रोड्स वगैरह क्लियर कर देते हैं और snow is always looking beautiful when it starts falling. I can't show you anything more than this because at the work I can show you at the workplace only. There's nothing much I can show, but once I finish from my work I'm gonna show you once I leave from here. Till then, please keep watching my channel. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe. I'm gonna show you different vlogs from here in New Jersey, USA, so I can show you different shopping vlogs, different outdoor activities, these kind of snow weathers. So please, subscribe my channel and give me a feedback what you would like to see in New Jersey, USA. Thank you.